Good morning, students. Last class we were compared the black body radiation, Planck's quantum theory, and photoelectric effect. Today class I will explain the what are the related problems involved in this photoelectric effect, Planck's quantum theory, and black body radiation concepts. Then see the problem number 1. Calculate the energy of photons of radiation whose wavelength is 500 angstroms. Here what they given wavelength lambda they given. Lambda is equal to 5000 angstroms. Okay. Here one more point. 1 angstrom equal to how many meters? 1 angstrom equal to 10 power minus 10 meter equal. So angstroms I have to convert in the meters. Therefore lambda is equal to 5000 into 10 power minus 10 meter, or 5 into 10 power minus 7 meters. Because of 5000, 5 into 10 power 3 into 10 power minus 10. 10 power 3 into 10 power minus 10 means 10 power minus 7. Okay. So that is the lambda value. The next one is C, velocity of light, 3 into 10 power 8 meter. Why? Here I have taken the wavelength in meter, that's why velocity also taken the meter second inverse. The next one is energy we have to find out. E value we have to find out. So before going to E value, then first we take what is H value, Planck's constant. H is equal to what I told H? 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 joule seconds. Then finally what is energy? So this is the problem. Energy we have to find out. They given wavelength. Then formula E is equal to Hc by lambda na. Then E is equal to what is H value? 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 joule seconds into C value 3 into 10 power 8 meter second inverse divided by wavelength 5 into 10 power minus 7 meters. Here meter cancel, second inverse seconds cancel. Therefore energy E is equal to 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 into 3 into 10 power 8 joules divided by 5 into 10 power minus 7. Therefore E is equal to minus 7, change it here, numerator plus 7 becomes to plus 7, plus 7 plus 8, 15. So 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 into 3 into 10 power 15 joule divided by 5. Therefore E is equal to 6.65 into 3, 19.875 into 10 power, you remove this value, then we got to remove minus 19 joule divided by 5. Therefore E is equal to 3.97 into 19.875 divided by 5. Then we got 3.97 into 10 power minus 19 joule. So this is the energy of the photon of radiation. The wavelength is 500 angstrom. So this is about the problem. So here you remember one problem, one concept. In this question, if they given any question, first what they given, what we have to find out. For example, once you read the question, they given wavelength lambda, they given. We have what we have to find out, energy we have to find out. So lambda they given some x. Energy we have to find out. What is energy wavelength formula? Then you think that formula. Energy wavelength relation formula E is equal to C by lambda. So based on this formula, H value constant, C value constant, wavelength they given. Then substitute that take that formula, substitute that value and take the calculation. So this is the method to solve any problem also. What they give, what we have to find out. First we think that one, then you have to learn the formulas, very very important formulas. Later we can solve very easy problems. So this is about the first one problem. Then see the second one question. What is the number of photons of light with the wavelength 4000 picometer? The given wavelength lambda value 4000 picometer. That provide 1 joule energy. The given energy is 1 joule. E value they given. what we have to find out? Number of photons of the light with wavelength 4000. Number of photons we have to find out. So before going to the number of photons, first what is the energy of one photon value we have to find out. So energy of one photon value formula E is equal to hc by lambda. That is energy of one photon. First you take h value 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 joule into second. Next energy is equal to C value 3 into 10 power 8 meter second inverse. 4000 picometer wavelength. 4000 into 10 power minus, this is 4000 picometer actually, but 1 picometer is equal to 10 power minus 12 meter equal. Therefore lambda is equal to 4000 into 10 power minus 12. 4000 we can write 4 into 10 power 3, 10 power 3, 10 power minus 12, 10 power minus 9. So therefore 4 into 10 power minus 9 meter. So I am taking direct value. Okay. Then substitute these values in the formula. Energy of one photon. Energy of one photon. Formula E is equal to hc by lambda. Therefore E is equal to, what is h value? 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 joule into second into 3 into 10 power 8 meter second inverse divided by, this one is lambda value 4 into 10 power minus 9 meter. Okay. So meter second inverse seconds cancel. Therefore energy of one photon 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 into 3 into 10 power 8 joule divided by 4 into 10 power minus 9 10 power minus 9. Minus 9 denominator, numerator becomes to plus 9. Plus 9 plus 8 plus 17. Okay, E is equal to 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 into 3 into 10 power 15, 10 power 17 divided by 4. Its value 6.65 into 3, 19.875 divided by 4. Its value 4.968 will come. You calculate 6.65 into 3. Its value 19.875 divided by 4, 4.968 into 10 power minus 34 plus 17, then plus 17 joule. So this is about the energy of one photon. But the question what they know, that provide 1 joule of energy. So this is the energy of one photon, this one. But in this 1 joule, how many electrons are provided? So that is the concept. See here, energy of one photon of energy E is equal to 4.968 into 10 power 17 joule. Okay, this is 1 photon of energy. But in question 1 joule of energy contain how many photons? That is number of photons. How many photons we have to find out. Okay, therefore then what we get? 1 into 1 cross multiplication. 1 photon 1 joule. 1 into 1 divided by 4.968 into 10 power 17. Okay, joule. Okay, then 1 by 4.968 value 0. Here 1 by 4.968 into 10 power minus 10 power 17 joule. 1 by 4.968, its value is 0.2012 into 10 power minus 17 joule inverse, photons per joule inverse, photons per joule inverse. Your point change it here 2 digits, 2.2. If you put the point after 2, then its value is what happened? 10 power minus 18. Then its total value is it becomes to 2.102 into 10 power minus 18 photons per joule. So this is the number of photons emitted. Number of photons of light having the wavelength of 4000 picometer that provide 1 joule energy. 1 joule of energy, they release how many photons? 2.012, not 10, 2.012 into 10 power 18 photons per joule. So that is about the problem. So this is one type of model. So this is the sorry, here 10 power minus 34, minus 34 plus 17 means here minus 17, here also minus 17, here minus 17 becomes to plus 17, then plus 17 means point change it here 1 digit to here plus 16 will come, sorry. So this is plus 16. So this is about the problem. Third one question. Calculate the energy of 1 mole of quanta. They given 1 mole quanta of radiation whose frequency they given new value 5 into 10 power 10 second inverse. What they given frequency they given 5 into 10 power 10 second inverse. Okay. Then next one is 1 mole they given means N naught value they given 1 mole. So 1 mole N naught means 1 mole contain how many particles? 1 mole contain Avogadro number. N naught value is 6.023 into 10 power 23 particles per mole inverse. Then what we have to find out? Energy of 1 mole of quanta. So we have to find out the energy. Okay, E and frequency value E is equal to h nu. But 1 mole means E is equal to NH nu formula. Here h value we have to take. What is h value? 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 joule into second. Then formula E is equal to N naught h nu. Okay, this is the formula. Therefore E is equal to what is N naught value? 6.023 into 10 power 23 mole inverse into h value 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 joule into second into new value, we know already new value they given 5 into 10 power 10 second inverse. So this is the problem. Values we substituted, then calculate the value. 10 second inverse seconds cancel. The remaining 6.023 6.625 into 5. 6.023 into 6.625 into 5. Its total value 199.51 will come into 10 power. This is 10 power 23 plus 10 power 33. 10 power plus 33 and minus 34, it will come minus 1. 10 power minus 1 means 0.1. Okay, 0.1 joule mole inverse. Okay, 0.1 10 power minus 1 means 0.1. Therefore E is equal to 199.51 into 0.1 joule mole inverse or 19.951. Okay, into 10 power sorry 19.951 joule per mole. So this is the problem. So this is about the energy of 1 mole of quanta of radiation frequencies 5 into 10 power 10 second inverse. So this is about the problem. So here what they given frequency they given 1 mole quanta they given, then energy is E is equal to NH nu. If they given 1 mole N naught value, I already told this formula, you have to use this formula. This is about the problem. So this is a very simple model problem. compare the energy of two radiations, one with wavelength 600 nanometer, another with wavelength 300 nanometer. We have to compare the energy, means they given lambda 1 and lambda 2. This is we take lambda 1 600 nanometer, lambda 2 300 nanometer. We have to find out the E1 E2 ratio, E1 and E2 relation. So that is about the problem. So already I told formula, energy and wavelength formula, E is equal to hc by lambda 1, E1 is equal to hc by lambda 1, then E2 is equal to hc by lambda 2. Therefore E1 by E2 is equal to, what is E1 value? hc by lambda 1 into lambda 2 divided by hc. Okay, hc cancel off. Then what we get? E1 by E2 is equal to lambda 2 divided by lambda 1. Okay, therefore E1 by E2 is equal to lambda 1 means what? They given lambda 2 value 300 lambda 2, lambda 1 600, 300 nanometers divided by 600 nanometers. Nanometer cancel, 0 cancel, 3 1 jar, 3 2 jar. So 1 by 2. From this formula, E1 by E2 is equal to 1 by 2 means what they going? E2 is equal to cross multiplication. E1 into E2 is equal to 2 into E1. So this is the comparison of energy. So that is about the problem. Then see this one question. Here what they know, the minimum energy required to overcome the attraction force between an electron and the surface of the lazy metal is 5.52 into 10 power 19 joule. What will be the maximum kinetic energy ejected out from the AG which is being exposed to the UV light of wavelength 360 angstrom? First wavelength convert into meters. See here, 1 angstrom is equal to 10 power minus 10 meter equal. 360 into 10 power minus 10 meter. Okay. The next one is H value. 6.65 into 10 power minus 34 joule. C value 3 into 10 power 8 meter second inverse. Then energy we have to find out first. Okay. So this is minimum energy. Minimum energy means that is work function. Remember that point. The minimum energy required to overcome the attraction force between electron and a metal atom. That is work function. Means it is a W naught value. Remember that point. This is not energy. That is minimum energy means work function. I told already definition. Then first you find out the energy. Then see here, what is energy? E is equal to Hc by lambda. Okay. Then what is H value? 6.65 into 10 power minus 34 joule seconds into C value 3 into 10 power 8 meter second inverse into lambda value 360 into 10 power minus 10 meter. Okay. Here second inverse seconds cancel, meter cancel. Then what we obtained? 6.625 into 3, 19.875 divided by 360. Its value 0.05520 will come into 10 power 6.65 into 3 divided by 360. Its total value 0.05520. Again into 10 power. This is minus 34. Here minus 10 is becomes to plus 10. Plus 10 plus 18. Sorry, plus 10 plus 8 plus 18 plus 18 and this one minus 34. This here minus 34 into minus 10 becomes to plus 10 into plus 8 joules will come. Therefore here energy is equal to 10 power minus 34 here to remove plus 34 minus 24 minus 24 again 8. Okay, then what we obtained? Minus 16. Okay, so 0.05520 0.5520 into 10 power minus 16. Okay, minus 16 joule. Then point change it here 2 digits after here. Then what we get? 5.520 into 10 power minus 18 joule will come. Because of after 2 digits point to here point 10 power minus 18 joule will come. That is energy. But we have to find out the kinetic energy. They given W naught. Then how to find out the W naught kinetic energy? E is equal to photodielectric effect formula I told already. Energy divided into two parts. One part is used to overcome the attraction force between the nucleus and electrons. Second part is increase the kinetic energy of ejected electrons. First one part is work function. Second part is kinetic energy. So from this one kinetic energy is separated. Then energy minus W naught. Therefore kinetic energy is equal to what is energy? Just now I told 5.52 and W. This is energy. W naught value you know already. What is that? 5.52 into 10 power minus 19. Then what we get? Your point change it here 2 digits. Then 10 power 19. 5.52 into 10 power 18 minus 5.52 into 10 power 19 joule. The point change it here 2 digits. 10 power 19 here 10 power 19 will come. Therefore 55.2 into 10 power minus 19. 5.52 into 10 power minus 19 joule. This is also joule. This is also joule. Then 10 power 19 joule take common value. Then what we get? 55.2 minus 5.52 into 10 power minus 19 joule. Its value is how much we got? 55.2 minus 55.2 minus 5.52. Its value 49.68 into 10 power minus 19 joule will come. So this is kinetic energy of ejected electrons. So I understand what they can minimum energy required to overcome the attraction between the electrons and the metal atom. Means that is minimum energy means work function W naught value they give. What will be the maximum kinetic energy? Kinetic energy you have to find out. How to find out kinetic energy? First you find out the energy by using the wavelength. Then the energy minus work function you divide you separate that two value between the energy and work function. Then we get kinetic energy. So this is about the problem here. So this is fifth one question. Then see the question. This is one different model. When light of 470 nanometer, the given wavelength fall on the surface of the potassium metal. They get K means potassium metal. Electrons are emitted with velocity of 6.4 into 10 power 4 meter second. What is minimum energy required to remove 1 mole of electron from the potassium? So here we have to find out the minimum energy means W naught value we have to find out first. Okay. Before going to the W naught, first we find out the kinetic energy and the energy. By using these two values, we can find out the W naught value. Understood what I said? So first, what is kinetic energy? We have to find out. Here. Kinetic energy is equal to half mv square formula. Therefore, kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 into m means electrons navi. What they give? Electron mass 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kilogram into velocity they give 6.4 into 10 power 4 meter second inverse. Okay. So this is a kilogram meter second inverse. Therefore, kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 into 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kilograms, 6.4 into 6.4 into 10 power 8 square 10 power 8 meter square second power minus 2. Its total value, if you calculate the total value, 9.1 into 6.4 into 6.4 divided by 2. Its value what we get? 186.4 into 10 power, this is 31, this is 8. 31 minus 8 means minus 31 plus 8 means this is minus 20. 186.4 10 power minus 23. So from this value, point change it here 2 digits after means comes to this one side, left hand side. Point here 1 digit reduce, here minus 22 will come. Again one more digit to minus 21 will come. Therefore kinetic energy is equal to 1.864 into 10 power minus 21 kilogram meter square second power minus 2. So its value, kilogram meter square second power minus 2, its value is equal to joule. Okay, that is kinetic energy. Then next one is we have to find out the energy value. So this is kinetic energy. What we find out kinetic energy? 1.864 into 10 power minus 21 joule will come. Okay. Then next one is kinetic energy. See the point. How to find out? So kinetic energy completed. Next energy value we have to find out by using wavelength. What is energy by using wavelength? E is equal to hc by this lambda value. Then E value find out. After that W naught value you will get find out easy. Okay. So next one is H value 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 joule into second. C value 3 into 10 power 8 meter second inverse. Next lambda value 470 nanometers. 1 nanometer equal to 10 power minus 9 meter equal. Therefore lambda is equal to 470 into 10 power minus 9 meter equal. Then energy formula E is equal to Sc by lambda formula. Therefore E is equal to what is H value 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 joule into joule second inverse, joule into second into C value later 3 into 10 power 8 meter second inverse divided by lambda value 470 into 10 power minus 9 meter second inverse seconds cancel. Then what we find out energy value E is equal to 6.625 into 3 19.875 divided by 470. So divide 19.875 divided by 470 means its value 0.04220 will come. Okay, 422 will come into 10 power minus 34. So this is minus 9 is numerator, plus 9 will come. Plus 9 plus 8 plus 17 minus 34 minus 17 will come. Minus 17 joule will come. That means energy is equal to point change here 3 digits after. Point change here 1 digit 18. One more digit minus 19, minus 20, minus 21 means 422.8 into minus 21 joule will come. So see, this is energy. Next one is energy is equal to W naught plus Ke is there. Okay. Then what is the W naught value? W naught is equal to, okay, W naught equal to E minus Ke. W naught equal to what is E value? 422.8 into 10 power minus 21 joule minus kinetic energy value 1.864 into 10 power minus 21 joule. Okay. Then W naught value is equal to 422.8 minus 1.864 into 10 power minus 21 joule. means its total value is W naught value is equal to, if you subtract this value, then 420.8 into 10 power minus 21 joule will come. So this is the W naught value for 1 electron. But question what is minimum energy is required to remove 1 mole electron. So this is minimum energy means work function. Minimum energy required to remove of 1 electron. This one for 1 mole electron removal 420 into 8, 420.8 into 10 power minus 21 into 1 mole means 6.0 to 10 power 23. Then we get the answer. So that is next one point. Minimum energy required to remove of 1 electron. Next, the minimum energy is required to removal of 1 mole electrons from potassium metal is 420.8. Sorry, 420.9 will come. 420.9 into 10 power minus 21 joule. This is the energy required to removal of 1 electron. But 1 mole electron 6.023 into 10 power 23 mole inverse. Okay. Then calculate 420.9 into 6.023. Its value is 2535 into 10 power 21 23 means 10 power 2 joule mole inverse. Okay. 10 power 2 joule mole inverse. The point changed here 1 digit. Point changed here 1 digit after there are 253.5 into 10 power 3 joule mole inverse, or 253.5 into 10 power 3 joule equal to 1 kilojoule na? So 253.5 kilojoule mole inverse. So this much amount of energy is required to remove of 1 mole of electron from the potassium metal. So this is about the problem.